Chaka.
I used to think that the reading level was more or less even throughout the schools around the world, but now I know that schools like in China are a lot more dedicated towards heavy and high school reading when they're low in grades.
So when you were filling out your journal on Net School, how did the rigor compare in the U.S. reading based, like, compared to China?
U.S. was not as rigorous as China was because of the fact that they're also in school a lot more than we are. Their reading level is advanced faster than ours is, so they're already 2-3 years ahead of us.
Okay, did you happen to see how long they go to school?
They only have about a 6-week summer, so and then plus they have a whole bunch of homework over that 6-week summer.
Yeah, it's good for us to know. I mean, sometimes we think, man, I'm taking AP classes, look at all that I have to do, and then we look overseas at what they're doing and their years beyond. So, yeah, a place where maybe their rigor is much higher than ours. Now, granted, not everybody goes to school in China, but the ones that do are working really hard. Ryan, do you have one?
Can I add to that? It's like,
Yeah.
Well, also, like, they're tested harder over this stuff, and the way they're tested usually is, like, they're outside, so they can, like, concentrate better, but they're, like, separated apart, so, like, I'll be a tester right here, and then Brad would be the next tester, and between every single row or column, there'll be a teacher walking back and forth, and their desk is covered by, like, a big folder that, like, crosses the whole desk, and so they can't cheat or anything, and so you have to study, you have to...
Did you find this in research?
Yes, ma'am. There's actually, like, pictures of it, too.
That's cool. We'll have to see. Where did you get your source, do you know?
Content.time.org.
Okay. We'll look further into it, but yeah, absolutely. Different testing strategies, different rigor, different books. Michael Hamill, what did you used to think, but now you know?
I used to think that our reading lists were on par with other schools, but now I know it varies between schools.
Yeah, good. If you've shared yours, you can go ahead and put those on the board for me. Brianna, what'd you put?
I used to think that like school reading lists were like specific and stuff throughout like the states and stuff like that. Now I know they're not. Like the different books vary between the levels in the school. Like when I was looking at the list, I noticed for 12th grade is Hound's Baskerville. It's a very good book. I read that when I was like 10. So
Yeah.
It varies a lot.
It does vary a lot. In fact, some of the books that you might have read as freshmen might be on the senior reading list at another school. You're like, that's weird. Did anybody put anything specific about a reading list they found somewhere? No? It's okay. We'll look more into that. Somebody else, I used to think, but now I know.
I'm kind of the same as this.
Yeah, you can put that on the board. That's fine. Let's see. What'd you put, Craddy? Or what are you in the middle of putting there?
I used to think that we all read the same level of books, like in the same grade level, but now I know that it's not like that. Sometimes we read higher level books. So I'm gonna write down.
Somebody tell me, what do you think about our high school reading list? The question was asked in that journal, would you change anything and why? Yeah, what do you think, Canoodle?
Well, after researching, I figured out that our reading list is actually a lot less advanced, and like in South Dakota, they're reading more of college level books in high school. So they're